Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
I don't they call you since I came back now. You know, grip pick my call. What's up?
Oh, babe, I'm sorry. I've been so busy. And as I'm talking to you right now, I'm trying to get to an audition.
Which kind of work is that now?
Okay.
I'll send me your address. I'll go meet you there.
Okay, no problem. I'll send you the location right now, okay?
Agene kwa ta asata olo kam jago na so
na peso aso na peso
That part of the release fine base. No, Misa.
Guys, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
Who is this local girl?
Who the hell in my local language is this?
Is this not the cleaner?
Excuse me, what are you doing here?
The manager asked me to come, guys, please.
So you're the local cleaner I've been waiting for since, Abi?
No, I'm sorry. There was traffic. I had to...
Girl, you shouldn't be here. You look so tacky. Chill. Oh my God!
Why are they insulting you like this? What happened?
I'm used to it. It's fine.
Fine.
I'm so happy to see you.
No problem. You see, go your audition, come back. When you come back, don't worry. Give everything for me. Go. I'll be waiting for you.
I wanna get to know you. I'm loving your body. And I wanna dance with you now and after the party.
Ask about me for what?
And I like how we feel when we groove now. Say I want it. Yeah. Cause I'm out for the night in the mood now. You know I be wildin'.
Lady Luxury Cars, number one. But I want to
I want first pay you for today before you come out. Let's collect them.
Clap for Jesus. I wanna dance with you now. I wanna get to know you and love your body. And I like how you group now, you know, say I want this. I'm for the line. Get your body, me, I want to. Get for my man, and I go like go. Your waist, give me a kiss, I want to test you. So make you wind up on your waist, too. Girl, you swear I know you wait, too. Yeah.
make money.